How to log in ChatGPT 4 in mobile. Well, if you want to log into ChatGPT 4 in mobile, ChatGPT 4 is a premium version of ChatGPT, but you can also access it for free for a couple of prompts per day. So to get it, currently you can see I'm on the 3.5 option, right? But if I want to use the number 4, which is the ChatGPT 4, I have to log into my account. So tap on the two lines option from the top left, go to the login or sign up button from here, and go to the login option again. And once you go to the login option over here, you will see this type of interface, or obviously what you want to do is here you can see continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. If you want to link with those, that's perfectly your choice. Otherwise, you could enter your email address, tap on continue. Then after that, just enter your password and tap on continue. After you log in, even if it is a free account, ChatGPT actually gives you a free prompt of ChatGPT 4 for a couple of times a day. So using that, you'll be able to log into ChatGPT 4. This way you'll be able to log in ChatGPT 4 in mobile. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.